everybody? All are fine there? Let us start. The last day we already learned one poem. What is the name of the poem? Did you remember? Who stayed out late to play? Remember that poem? It was very nice poem. And that question answer we already discussed on our Google Meet. Question answers I sent on the Google Classroom. Everybody, you please check and complete that notes. Okay? And today we have to learn one grammar portion. That is articles. What we are going to learn? Articles. I think first standard onwards you are studying that articles. It's very familiar. Yes, you know that articles. So which are the words articles you know? The words a and the. Which are the articles? The words a and the. These are called articles. You know that. Am I correct? A and the. Which are the articles? A and the. Now, we can learn where we can use these a and the. The articles a and the. Okay. Now, I am going to give some examples here. I am eating an apple. Can you see? I am eating an apple. Second one. There is a mango tree. There is a mango tree. And third one. The train is late by an hour. All of you please read the sentence. First one, I am eating an apple. Eating an apple. Second one, there is a mango. There is a mango tree. Third one, the train is late by an hour. In these three sentences, I use here articles. I use here articles a and the. Now we can check how we can use these articles. The first one, see, I am eating an apple. I am eating an apple. So where we can use article an? Article an we can use before vowel sound. We can use article an before the vowel sound. Which are the vowel sounds? You know. UKG you studied that. Which are the vowel sounds? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel sounds. So before the vowel sound, we can use article an. Got it? Before the vowel sound. You please listen properly that before the vowel sound, not letters. sound are letters. Both are different. So listen carefully that before the vowel sound. Got it? So where we can use and before vowel sound. Which are the vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel sounds. See, apple, A. Letter A, apple. So before this A sound we can use an apple. Got it? Where we can use an before vowel sound, not letters, before vowel sound. And the next one, see, there is a mango tree. There is a mango tree. So where we can use a before consonant sound. What is consonant sound? Other than vowel sound. So many sounds are there. Example, which are that? Example, I am writing here. See, P, K, G, M, N, T, P, K, Z. These are the other consonant sounds other than vowel sounds. Other than vowels are all other sounds are called consonant sound. So before the consonant sound we can use article which letter? A. A mango tree. M. M is a consonant sound. So we have to use here A. Got it? And where we can use and? Before the vowel sound. Which are the vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U. You know that vowel sound and consonant sounds. So before the vowel sound we can use and. Before the consonant sound, which are the consonant sound? B, K, Ng, M, N, T, R, Z, S. These all are vowel sounds. Consonant sound. Other than vowel sounds. There we can use A. Here M, that is consonant sound, one of the consonant sound. So we have to use here A. Got it? The next one. The train is late by an hour. See, purposely I gave this example. See, the train is late by an hour. Here I used two articles. In this sentence I used two articles. Which are that? The and an. The. Where we can use the? We have to point something. We have to point something. That time we can use the article the. The train. So that is one of the particular train. Not any one of the train. One particular train. So that's why we are using the. Another example. See, maybe in your class, you just imagine. Now your maths teacher is entering your class. Now she entered. Just imagine. Then she is asking you, take the textbook. Children, take the textbook. The teacher is announcing there what? Children, please take the textbook. What is the meaning? Teacher, take the textbook. The textbook means you should take that maths textbook. Because the is pointing one particular one. Pointing there particular one. So her subject textbook you have to take. So that's why take the textbook. Or otherwise maybe teacher is telling take textbook or take a textbook. Take a textbook. What is the meaning take a textbook? Any textbook you can take. Understood? The difference between take the textbook and take a textbook. Take a textbook means any textbook, any one of the textbook you can take. But take the textbook means teacher pointed one particular textbook is there. That textbook only you can take. So here also see the train. The train means one particular train is there. as not any one of the train. So the train is late by an hour. See here, H-O-U-R, hour spelling. H. Spelling, what is the spelling? H-O-U-R. But we use here I. Why? You know? See here, A sound, that letter is silent. It is not our. So, our. So, which sound is there? Vowel sound. Before the vowel sound, which article we can use? An. So, an, our. That's why first I already told that before the vowel sound, not letters. See here, the letter H, that is one of the consonants. But that H is silent there. H is silent. How it pronounced? Our. So we have to use here an. Understood? So, and where we can use the an? Before vowel sound. Before consonant sounds. These are the consonant sounds before the consonant sound. And the article the, where we have to point something. That time we can use the. Got it, all of you? I think you understood that. And textbook exercises are there. We have to do in our Google Classroom. Okay? Fine. Thank you.